Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize and crop thumbnail images of WooCommerce product. This is really useful when you want to maintain a consistent professional look across all your product listings, making your online store more visually appealing to customers. First things first, open up a browser on your computer and navigate to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Enter your credentials and sign in to access your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your website. Click on Appearance. This section houses all the tools you need to control how your site looks and functions. After clicking Appearance, an expanded menu will appear with several additional options. From these options, go ahead and click on Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, which is your control center for making visual changes to your site. Once you're inside the customization page, take a look at the left side menu where you'll see different sections you can modify, locate, and click on WooCommerce. This section specifically deals with all your e-commerce settings and product display options. After clicking WooCommerce, you'll see more options appear, and from these, click on Product Images. This is where all the magic happens for controlling how your product thumbnails appear throughout your store. Now you're in the thumbnail settings area. Look for the section labeled Thumbnail Cropping. This is the key area where you'll make your adjustments. You'll notice the aspect ratio is probably set to a default option. Click on it and change it to Custom. This gives you full control over exactly how your thumbnails will be sized and cropped. Once you've selected Custom, you can now set your desired aspect ratio to adjust the size according to your preferences. Take a moment to consider what dimensions work best for your product layout and overall store design. After you've adjusted the aspect ratio to your liking, it's time to save these changes. Look for the Publish button and click it. This will apply your new thumbnail settings across all your WooCommerce products. Your product images will now display with the consistent sizing and cropping you've specified, giving your store a much more polished and uniform appearance. And there you have it, you've successfully resized and cropped your WooCommerce product thumbnail images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.